at it again with another video. We've got Sammy, Gita, and we got Nelson.
Hi.
And today we're at Festival of Friends in Hamilton. If you know what that is, come, maybe we'll see you here. But yeah, today we're just gonna be checking out some of the things to do, and maybe some of the rides. The haunted house is later in the video. But yeah, look at this dude. Look at this dude. Yo, he's trying to hit me. It's child abuse. It's child abuse. Oh.
No matter what.
Sorry, she's making a video too.
No, it's really.
Can't hear it very much because the music's so loud.
It's really like loud.
Alright, let's go. I'm gonna kill your children. Where are you? Why is he coming back? Oh shoot! Oh Jesus Christ!
Peace! Peace! I can't peace!
Wow!
Where's the kid go?
Jerk! Alright. There's the stage.
So we're gonna do a song now.
Hey yo, Sakita's gone.
Let her know about my mother.
Yeah, there she is.
Mother passed away
There's her
2 years
truck
ago.
over there.
A lot of family around here.
Side burgers.
I don't know if you ever met a super hardcore
Yeah.
Spanish fiery.
Haunted house later.
That was my mom.
Might go some of the rides over here. There's not much rides over here, but there's a bunch over there, like the Ferris wheel and stuff. And sword.
Special guest coming.
Sword.
You ignored me.
Alright. Let's stage here. Kira.
What?
The walk of shame. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. So cute. Look at him. Oh my god, that's awesome.
I'll miss that dog.
Sakita making a video. Say hi. Now what's you doing? Oh god. Oh hell no. Thing could be used as a lethal weapon. Stop it.
Just came. That with me. The one behind that sign. Legit just sat with me for no reason. Wow, its owner was again dying.
Yeah, all dogs smell like that. They're stinky, right?
They're not that sticky.
Yeah.
He was actually clean.
I live with dogs, so it's easy for me to get used to them. Pretty easy, actually.
The dog is actually clean.
Yeah, they're not that bad. Alright, now we're going to check out some of the stuff over here. Like, maybe the Ferris wheel, probably not the Ferris wheel. Sakita wants to go on the rock climbing. And got some of the stands over there. We already tried out the mallet smash thing. And we won. That's why we got
I got
that
diamond sword. It's mine because I paid for it.
yeah, exactly.
I paid for the ride.
Alright. Let's see
So wait,
what
I still
there is
can't
to
believe that a
do.
random dog came up to me and sat with me.
Yeah.
Yo, can I be in your vlog?
Okay.
Sure.
Yo, I'll subscribe to your YouTube channel.
Bye.
What's your name?
Sure. Braden Games 46.
Yo, can I be in it though?
Sure. Come. We're going over here.
Yeah, some random stuff going on. We got some fans. That's lovely stuff.
B-R-A-E.
And there's some random.
It's games with a Z.
Brave. Like the.
B-R-A-E. And then games with a Z, no space.
That guy's somewhere right there. Man.
Bro, is that a cricket phone? I love those phones.
Yeah.
I'm not even kidding, I have one.
Alright guys, we're in line. We're in line for the haunted house right now.
Matt,
And I'm so scared. Like, look at this place. Look at this place. That's so weird. Yeah. Nelson's got his sword to protect us. So, things gonna be fun.
Somewhere.
You guys probably can't hear it. What is your problem? Hi.
I'm blind.
What is your problem? Go ahead. Alright guys, it's gonna be the end of today's video. Hope you enjoyed, and if you did, smash the like button and click subscribe and press the bell to get notifications every time I upload something new. I know there's gonna be a live stream tonight, but the place where I went, we lost internet, so I couldn't do it. And on Saturday, I might be getting a PlayStation, and if I do, I'm gonna try to upload videos off that as soon as possible. I really want you guys to see that. Until then, stay tuned for more videos, and see you next time. Bye, guys.